Tent Review. VINGLI 10X20 feet pop-up canopy instant tent 6 removable sidewalls folding as up canopy tent patio event gazebo beach tent of Coated&Waterproof bonus wheeled carry bag blue. Adjustable height. It works great for family outdoor events, tailgating, kids, sporting events, and more. The fabric is coated to offer of protection. The easily adjustable height with 3 different positions makes it a versatile tent, 8 to 8.8 peak height. Waterproof canopy. 50 of sun protection as of coated top tarp, blocks 99% of the sun's harmful rays. 420D waterproof material, dries quickly and has a pointed profile that prevents water pooling at the top. Portable feature. Come with a free rolling wheeled storage bag that makes carrying it easy. It folds down to a compact size and everything fits into the included carry case that fits in most vehicles. The carrying case has wheels for ease of transport. Faster setup. It folds down to a compact size and everything fits into the included carry case that fits in most vehicles. The carrying case has wheels for ease of transport. 1 year cover for all quality issue, 3 months all unit replace, 6 months replacement parts provide, 12 months additional components repulse. If interested, click the link in the description to buy the tent. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.